everyone.
Okay. Can
Hello.
you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone. My name is Ken. I'm 5 years old. I'm from Vinh City, Vietnam. I'm in class studying English in Garden Hills. My favorite food is fish. My favorite animal is cat. My favorite drink is milk. My favorite drink is milk.
Alright, good job, Ken. And now, how are you today, Ken?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, and how's the weather today?
It's sunny and hot.
Okay, how many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. My grandma, my daddy, my mommy, my brother, and me.
Alright, and what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts.
Oh, great. Okay, and now, can you tell me, where are your eyes?
These are my eyes.
Where are your ears?
These are my ears.
Good. Where are your shoulders?
These are my shoulders.
And where is your nose?
This is my nose.
And where are your toes?
These are my toes.
Good job. Alright now. Alright, Ken. Can you dance?
I can dance.
Alright. Can you sing?
I can sing.
Okay. Can you draw?
I can draw.
Good. Can you climb?
I can
climb?
I can climb.
Okay, good. And can you clap your hands?
I can climb.
Great job. Okay, look at the screen. Where is the color green? Is it in A, B,
The
or
eye
C?
at the scene is curling.
Good job. Okay, where is the builder? Is it in A, B, or C?
At the scene here builder.
Very good.
He's a builder.
Where is the onion? Is it in A, B, or C?
At the scene of cucumber. At the scene
Where is
is
the onion?
cucumber. The scene is a cucumber.
Okay, Ken, where? Okay, how many cats do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cats.
Very good. How many tigers do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger.
Good job. Okay, and now can you step over to the box? Can you open the box and pick up one item? Alright, what is that?
It's a ball.
Okay, and what color is it?
It's purple.
And what shape is that?
It's a hat.
Alright, good. Can you put it back? Can you put it back in the box? Okay, and can you pick up one more item? Okay, what is that?
It's a pencil.
And what color is that pencil?
It's yellow.
Okay, how many pencils can you see inside the box? How many pencils inside the box?
It's a ruler.
Okay, and what color is that ruler?
It's a blue.
Alright, and what shape is it?
It's a rectangle.
Okay, good job, Ken. Can you put it back inside the box? And can you close the box? Good. And can you go back to the middle of the stage? Alright, that's it, Ken. Thank you.